folks, in the big town of Perry. Tell the folks where Perry is. Perry is just south of Owasso. Only about 10 miles probably. Just about 10 miles south of Owasso.
There might be a gas truck.
Well, it might be.
I can hear him.
Did you hear the whistle? Okay, Dave's trying to get out.
It's a busy road.
Boy, sometimes it really is. That's because it's M52.
Good grief. Fast!
M52, just like Kid Adrian. That guy's going a bit fast for town. Police would like to catch up.
You know what, Mama G is? I can tell you.
How much?
He is about I think a half a mile.
Yeah.
Turn around.
So we got a minute or two yet. Okay. As fast as that guy was going, and right there's the police station over there.
Turn around, please.
Unbelievable.
Turn around, please. Please hurry.
I want you to relax because he's still a half a mile away.
I want to see him on this road.
Well,
I want
you're going to.
to
Look,
what?
right there's the tracks.
watch in the lights on the road.
Yes, I know.
At the crossing.
You need to relax. Dave's taking me back there.
I can hear his whistle. I can hear his whistle, Daddy.
Oh no, doggy. Oh, it's a cat. Good grief, that's a big cat. Oh, got him a mouse. Look at that, Caleb.
Yeah.
Got him a mouse. Nom nom. He's so proud. Nom nom. Chop chop. He got him a mouse. Got him a field mouse.
Turn left blinker.
Oh, good grief. And they're gonna stop.
They're gonna need to.
They're gonna stop because
Gates will go
it's
down.
bus 26 and bus
405.
and bus 405, and they're gonna stop. Ooh, they almost ran into it. The bus almost hit the other bus. Oh, good grief.
Daddy,
Are you kidding me?
hurry, Daddy. There it is.
Hurry, what? Look at all the cars. I can't go nowhere.
Daddy, look!
Oh, good grief. Are you videoing?
He's waiting for you.
Nobody's waiting for me.
See, he is. Yeah, we're going straight to Perry right now. Are these stairs loud?
They are kind of loud here. Why, a train horn's loud. Wow.
Ban us up!
Yeah!
Cool!
Oh,
Look!
cool.
Look!
Wow.
Hold this! Where's my daddy?
What? Produced by Daddy?
Where's my daddy? This is on the smartphone!
There's a load of coal for you. Lots of coal. Tons.
Hey, Fred, you gotta see it here.
Tons and tons of coal. Oh, good grief.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Look at Finley.
Look at the video only. Wow.
Will there be another one or no?
Oh, I don't know.
Probably not.
Well, I don't know.
If we do, then we can see it.
We'll see, okay? Because it's
If
getting
not,
late. We got to start heading home.
If not,
Okay.
then we will go right on going.
We got to go right on home, okay? Wow.
First time ever.
And that's a long train too. It's all coal. I haven't seen anything but coal.
Is he slowing down?
Well, he's going slower because,
There might be another train coming.
well, don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Already did loud. I don't know.
Yeah, they're kind of loud.
But these gates go down fast.
Yeah.
They really go down fast. Will they go up fast or slow?
Well, I think they would go up fast.
Why did they go down fast?
Oh, I don't know.
Is he slowing down? Is he?
Well, not really.
You might be going slow because there might be another train over there somewhere.
Yeah, maybe.
And it's a long train. Longest train that I can eat a cow.
What? What does that have to do with the train? That's a lot of coal. Right?
Son, I got it!
That's a lot of coal.
Look!
That was a, what?
Son, I got the name of the train!
That's so disgusting! Killed one train.
Look,
Yep. Wow.
we didn't drive
Big
now.
gates.
What?
Those are some big gates. Are they?
Look at all those cars.
Look at the bands of cars, people.
How much is he? Check.
How much is he? Let's check.
Look.
Oh, he's about a half a mile already.
I can see another light of a train. Can you check the next crossing? because we don't know what next crossing is.